We rolling? Mm-hmm. Hey, good morning, guys. Hi, puppy. Oh boy. Heavier than I thought. Anyway, we got from Key Parts today. Well, actually, yesterday. We got the tri-panel deal for the rear. It's the 10 inches of extension of the floor, the support, and then the tail panel. So let's open this up and take a look at it and see what. Jesus, really hammer this thing with some staples in here. I think we're just gonna cut it. What do you think, huh?
Trying to pop
What's your
holes.
nose? What's your nose? I want to cut your nose off. Even though you're nosy, but don't cut your nose off. Let's see. So yeah, it's after finding all that rust, I figured the only thing I could do was just go ahead and order the pieces. I mean, we're not going to do it this minute, but you know, it was probably pre-planned this a little bit better, but I figured, you know what, might as well just get the parts ordered, so this way, as soon as we get the floors in, we can attach the back. The only thing I got to get yet is I want to get the spare tire delete, because I do want to put so here is the 10-inch panel, or the trunk, the last 10 inches of it. And then, so that's the 10-inch panel. Let's see, this should be the support. So this is, you know what I feel like? Remember that video of that guy in QVC that had that foldable scaffolding ladder, and he kept trying to climb over it, and the thing kept collapsing and he kept falling. Oh my God! Look that up, or if I find it, I'll send a link to it. So this stuff came from BodyShopPrice.com, and they were about the cheapest that were out there. I think one person is, well, made in Taiwan. That's where they made the 55 Chevy, yep. So this is the support piece. Let's see.
Lean him up against the garage door for now.
Huh?
Lean him up against the garage
No,
door.
I was trying to see how whatever, how this went on here, but I guess we'll figure that out. This is gonna go in here somehow or something. I'm not that smart. I'm not that guy. So anyway, so we got these two pieces. Like I said, that's the, I think this is the support, or is this the tail panel? Oh no, this is the tail panel itself. I was expecting to see it with the corner pieces, you know, that go around the, and then with the trunk, but no, this is actually the tail panel itself. So this must be the top lip. Okay, so that's the tail panel. That's not the support. I was wrong. Looks like the stuff's made nice. And I guess we got to figure out how it actually fits. But having real steel here and not rust sure is nice. Really? yeah, so this is the support. So this support is gonna go in like that somehow. I know this is. Somehow it all goes in here. Unless it goes on top. Could go on top. What do you think, huh?
I'm not sure.
Huh?
I'm not sure.
I mean, I guess I have to look online and see exactly how this goes. But where it goes in there. Oh, good. No. It's got a curve to it.
Yeah, it does.
I don't know. We'll figure it out. That kind of looks sort of right. But yeah, we'll figure it out. But yeah, this stuff looks pretty decent. I mean, like I said, I looked online and there was a bunch of places that were pretty darn expensive. And not that this was cheap, but it was the cheaper of all of them. So we decided to go this route. So anyway, yeah, just kind of a short video. A box opening today. And you know, we have some more parts. We have some exciting stuff this weekend, hopefully, and we'll be getting back to you. So anyway, you all like, share, and subscribe, and tell your friends, tell your uncle, tell your aunt, and come on back. We'll be back here this weekend, which it kind of is now anyway. But anyway, yeah, everybody have a good one. Be safe.